This is me with a head full of hair a week ago. But not anymore, baby. I got my hair cut just now. It looks good. It's called a fade. So like here, and it feels so good to have all of my hair chopped off. So let's get into this Q&A. Patrick from Pours Unboxings, as you know, as myself just introduced me to this video. So my Q&A today, my friend Michael asked me a question. What are your recent pickups? I just got this on Friday. Revolution 2021. I wanted this so bad when it got dropped on AEW shop. So I picked it up, and maybe under 2 weeks, I ordered it on the 30th, I think. Yeah, the 30th, and it just came on Friday. So that's my only pickup that I got this week. And yeah, it was an actually very good pay-per-view. And there will be a review coming soon. I'm playing some 2K19, some WWE. Yeah, let's get into these questions, guys. Well, from Wrestling DVD Central. First of all, when I ordered this, last night, they put All Out 2020 on AEW shop, and they put Full Gear 2020. Why does this happen? So I guess I'll be asking. I might be getting Full Gear soon. I'm not sure about All Out yet. Let's see what All Out has to do with it. DVDs. Yeah, but I wanted to talk about the releases that were posted on Tuesday or Wednesday. You have Braun Strowman, Aleister Black, Liv Morgan, and Buddy Murphy, and I think one other person. A girl from NXT. I never heard of. Yeah, dude, big blow. Do not take that out of context. A big blow to the WWE universe. Braun Strowman has been released. And wasn't he just on WrestleMania against Shane McMahon in a steel cage? And wasn't he just at Backlash? Like, what? In the main event scene? Well, not like the main event, but like for a WWE title shot against Drew McIntyre and Bobby Lashley. And he gets released. And then Aleister Black, he hasn't been seen for 6 months, and about 2 weeks ago, he's back on TV. I think the Darkness of the Father gimmick, I think. And like, and then not even a week, like a week later, he gets released. He black masked. He kicked Big E in the face. And you're saying that's the last we see of him? A feud. Aleister Black and Big E was supposed to happen this Friday. Or on Friday Night SmackDown 2 nights ago. And he's gone. It's like Avengers Endgame. Thanos and Iron Man. It's like Iron Man. So, whoops. You're done. He's gone. Ruby Riott is gone. Murphy's gone. Black is gone. And Braun Strowman. And someone from NXT. Vince has all this money, and you can't pour out some? Oh yeah, look. Oh yeah, Here's 100 for you. 100 for you. 1,000 for you. Peacock bought WWE Network rights for $1 billion. And you're saying you cannot hand out money to Braun Strowman, a main event superstar that came into the company in 2015, black sheep mask, in the Wyatt family, and you're saying to me you can't pay him what he wants? He's gone. And then, well, Andrade is in AEW. Well, I guess AEW, I mean, great company. But here's what I've been seeing or hearing. AEW just signs ex-WWE superstars. Chris Jericho, Cody Rhodes. Well, Cody Rhodes founded it. I'm sorry. So Jericho, Jon Moxley, or slash Dean Ambrose. Starts feeling like a pop star. Pac, aka Neville. Goldust, and now Andrade, Big Show, Paul White, and they just signed Andrade, and Mark Henry showed up. Oh, you mean this guy? Right here. And here I am. At least I got to meet him before he left. It's just so weird. Chris Jericho is a 50-year-old man, but can still go in the ring. And now they're, WWE, AEW, Rock's star. I hear that Charlotte Flair might be pregnant. Thanks to Andrade's Instagram or Twitter post. So, yeah, those releases, man, were really hurt. Like a stab in the heart to me, because I really like those superstars. Well, I kind of grown out of Braun Strowman a little bit. I mean, his only accomplishments were IC Championship and Universal Championship. And Tag Team Championships with a 10-year-old kid, Nicholas! At WrestleMania. He'll always laugh at that. I'm sorry. It's just funny. So, to Wrestling DVD Central's questions, who do you want to see in the title picture after Drew and Lashley? It's time, man. Oh, people are gonna hate me in the community. Donnie, you're gonna hate me. Hey, but we're friends, so. Well, I see two people, but the Brock Lesnar needs to come back. And or John Cena. But he's probably rumored for SummerSlam against Roman Reigns. So, I could actually see this happening in AEW. Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy teaming up as the Hardy Boys again. Goodbye, Jeff Hardy in WWE. I don't want it to happen. My friend doesn't want it to happen, but it might. It seriously might happen. God. I can't. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, but it would shock me to see Jeff Hardy go to AEW. But I could also see him going after Lashley. Yes, I know what you're going to say, but he got beat by Jinder Mahal. Who cares? Everybody loses. Everybody loses at sometimes. Sheamus lost to Jeff Hardy at Backlash 2020. I think. I don't remember. Ah, crap. I'll look it up. No, I think I'm wrong. Nope. I was wrong. Yeah, but Sheamus loses a lot. And now he's U.S. champion. And also has the broken nose. So, I could see Jeff Hardy have another run as WWE champion. And if you want to do a draft, hint, hint, I want a draft. Shinsuke Nakamura could come to Raw, kick Lashley in the face, 1, 2, 3, and you have a new champ. I'm really dreading watching Monday Night Raw at this point. I don't know. I want to go. I want to get through it, but I just can't. but I find a way to. Sometimes I just fall asleep at like 9 p.m. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Aleister Black and Samoa Joe for the U.S. title. That's a really hard question for Lashley and McIntyre. I mean, you have Brock. I don't really want Randy Orton to become champion. But you got RK Bro. I mean, maybe Kofi Kingston can do it. I don't know. But his other question was, what has been your favorite pay-per-view of this year? Well, that's easy. Not my favorite, but close to it. Royal Rumble 2021. So far. Because of the Roman and Kevin Owens match and the Royal Rumbles. Can't believe I'm actually saying this. I liked Mania as well. I really did. I liked Cesaro and Rollins. I actually liked the triple threat match for the WWE the Universal Championship. I hated Fastlane. I don't even know why that match. I don't even know why that needs to be a pay-per-view. Like, you have the Chamber, right? Just waste a month building up the rivalries. You don't need Brian. I mean, Brian was in the main event of WrestleMania. You don't need Roman versus Brian at Fastlane. I don't. Crash away. So, yeah. Yeah, but I hope you like this Q&A. A short Q&A. Talked about the releases, how, I mean, very good for Andrade, but I really wanted to see Tommy End, aka Aleister Black, in AEW this Friday. I wanted to see Braun Strowman in AEW, but I don't want him in AEW, but I think that's the only way he could fit. I don't know. Do I have any more questions? I don't think so. Ooh, it looks like dinner's gonna be ready soon. That's always good. So, Braun Strowman, Aleister Black, Lana, Murphy, Ruby Riott, and Santana Garrett got released. So I just wanted to get that right. And I hope to have more pickups next week, but I have no idea. I think. Well, I'm not tired out, but I think I'm gonna. Well, I say that every week to myself, but I keep on buying crap. No, it's not crap. It's just I just have a bunch of DVDs that I already bought in 2021, and it's only June. I hope you had a good Q&A with me today. I'll see you guys in the next review or Q&A. Peace out, guys.